Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the theme configurations. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So here, first question, where can a list of themes can be found? So whenever you try to create a theme in your app design front end, so where it gonna be listed? So it gonna be listed on your content, configuration, edit. You can see theme listing. So whatever you have created in the app design front end, so all the themes are showing over here. Currently scope is store view, right? So here whenever you try to create a scope or the website for different stores, so here you will get the option on which store, which theme you want to apply. So you can choose that theme to apply, and you can do the other settings like the HTML head. You can update header, you can update footer. All these things you can update for a particular store with the help of these themes that you are going to apply. Okay, next question, what are the themes configured? Okay, so here we can configure the themes. How are scopes involved? I have already told you, this is the scope view. So you can if you're going to create the different scopes, so you can switch the scopes and apply the themes accordingly and change the header footer accordingly, right? Next, what can be configured? So what can be configured, like you can configure the HTML head, header, logo, footer, right? Pagination, product image, watermarks, okay, thumbnail. So you can, all these things can be configured whenever you try to switch the theme for the particular stores. Okay, so this is the basics one for the theme configuration. What can, where it can be found, what are the scopes, and how you can be configured. So this is the tutorial on the theme configuration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.